What's up, guys? I'm about to bring you the most genius beauty hack that there is on planet Earth. We are all probably working from home and Zooming, and if you're anything like me, you're letting it go. Look at these eyelashes. Got about 3 left. Okay, so this is the best life hack that I could give you guys for those of you working from home. You gotta zoom in on your calls, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna tell you what it is. Self tanner contour. This is the best self tanner because it's instant color. Like instantly, you look different. You don't have to like put it on, wait, shower, lotion. Like no, the stuff goes right on. Okay, a little bit on a beauty blender, right? So now it's nighttime here. So when I wake up in the morning, this contour is gonna look like nothing happened. Like I didn't put makeup on, but I just have this natural glow. Sorry, I have to check in my actual mirror. Okay. Little line there. Yeah, get it in. So I do like 3 or 4 coats because I'm aggressive and it looks really good. And by the time you blend it all in anyway, you know, some of the product goes into the sponge, all that good stuff. So all of this week, I've been getting compliments on my skin, and my skin is terrible. Like, let me tell you, I haven't had a facial since like before Christ. I spray tan literally all the time. And I just have like layers and layers and layers of like on there. I like need to take 100 layers off my face. Okay. So not that drastic, but let me tell you, when I wake up in the morning, there's going to be this natural glow. Sometimes they even go in right under here just to darken, get a little bit of shade. A little bit up here. Anywhere that you would normally contour, do it with this stuff. So this stuff is, like I told you, instant color. So you can see I look shiny, glowy, dewy on that side. Same on that side. So when I wake up tomorrow and I gotta go on Zoom at 7 in the morning and I wanna still be asleep and I am a zombie, my face is gonna be contoured. Little life hack. This you cannot get in stores. So DM me. I got you. I can ship it. Let me know.